Hello people, hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to send the money from PayPal to Wise. Yes, so if you have a bank account on Wise, you can send the money to this bank, but before that you need to link your Wise bank account to or with the PayPal. Okay, so after you link the Wise bank account with PayPal, you can send the money to it. Okay, so I will transfer the amount that I have on my account to my Wise bank account. So I will click transfer funds. This method is working on the phone and also on the PC. Okay, so it's the same thing. So as you can see here, I already link my Visa card and bank account of Wise and also the Pioneer. Okay, so I will choose Community FSB and the fees is 0. Okay, there is no fees to send the money to your Wise bank account. Okay, so you will choose that, click next. After that they will ask you how much money you want to send to your Wise account, so I will transfer full amount. I will click next, and because my Wise bank account is on USD, they will show you how much I will receive on your or on my Wise bank account. So I will receive this amount. They do the exchange rate from the euro to the USD because my PayPal account is on euro. But if your PayPal account on USD, they will show you directly how much you will send you. So I will click transfer now, and the transfer is done. Okay, so you will receive the money after 24 or 48 hour, but probably it's after few hours you will receive the money on your Wise account. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, and thank you.